Dear students, let us start our 35th lesson, and topic for today is the prepositions part first. First, let us come to the meaning of preposition. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation in which the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands to something else. That means it's placed before a noun. Here in these three examples you can look at. In first examples it's in second example it's into, and in third example it's of, and it is placed before a noun or a pronoun. Just like you can see here, field is noun, river is noun, tea is noun, and it shows the relationship of this noun or pronoun with something else. And here in this example it shows the relation of the field with the cow, it shows the relation of the river with he dived, and it shows in this example it shows the relation of the tea with this, that means here with adjective. So it is placed before a noun and it shows the relation of this noun with, we can say, with something else. It can be a noun, it can be a verb, or it can be an adjective. The noun or pronoun, that means this or this or this, is used with a preposition is called its object. So this field or river or tea, this is the object of the preposition. Here it's in, here it's into, and here of. A preposition is usually placed before its object. As you can see, that means before its object we have placed it, but sometimes it follows the object. But there are some examples also you can find where we place the object, where we place the preposition after its object, just like this. Here is the what that you asked for. No doubt in this example there is a relation between you and what. There's somebody and what, and we can say you is the object of the preposition in this example, but here we have placed for after object. So there are also examples where you can see that we place the preposition after its object. Or we can or we can say, for example, what are you thinking of, or this, that is the boy whom I was speaking of. So sometime, usually, often it's placed before its object, before a noun or pronoun, but sometimes it follows the object. That means it is placed after the noun or pronoun. Types of prepositions or kinds of prepositions. Prepositions are of two types. At this level we will discuss only two types of prepositions: simple prepositions and compound prepositions. Simple prepositions include at, by, from, in, of, on, out, OWF, of, till, through, to, up, with. Compound prepositions includes about, above, across, along, amidst, among, amongst, around, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, beyond, between, inside, outside, underneath, within, without. These compound prepositions, these prepositions are formed generally by prefixing a or be to a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. There are other types of prepositions as well: phrase prepositions and participial prepositions. But at this level we will discuss only two types: simple and compound prepositions. Now we will discuss uses of different prepositions. First we will start with at. At is used to indicate the time of day. For example, at 5 o'clock, at 11:45 a.m., at 10 o'clock, at 9 a.m., at lunch, at midnight, etc. Similarly, we say at night, at weekends, at the weekend, at Christmas, at the moment, at present, what is the situation at present, at the same time, at the beginning, at the end of something. It means when we say at the end of something, it means the time when something ends. Or similarly we say I am waiting at the bus stop. So with bus stop we also use at. At the door, what's at the door? That means what is near the door. What's at the end of the street? At the window. Similarly, we say at home, at work, at school, she's at school, at college, at university, she's studying at university. Or we say when somebody is on a voyage, on a journey, at sea. But if somebody is in water, in sea, then we use in. Otherwise, if it is a journey, then we say at sea. Or similarly, we say at a party, at a concert, etc. At the station, at the airport. I am waiting at the airport, not in airport. Or we say at the age of, not he achieved this on the age of. We say he achieved this thing, that thing at the age of, like 14, at the age of this. At a speed of, again we say at a temperature of, we say. And for towns also we use at. No doubt in is used for towns, cities and villages, but for towns especially we use at. So these were the uses of at. In our next lecture lesson we will discuss uses of other prepositions. Till then, have a nice time, have a great day.